Duo Brothers Gaming, and in this video I'm going to show you a very special thing. So this video is all about how to kill your friends, like when you're playing Minecraft with your friends, and trap your friends, and you can just kill them after trapping. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you 3 ways. So the first way is for this we will be needing oak wood planks, a pressure plate, a TNT, and that's all. So first we'll make and something and many things more, like we'll be needing diamond, so that we can just tell a friend that we can a friend gets greedy then, and a chest, and here's it. So we'll just make something like this. You see, I'll just like this, like a house, but not a full house. Like this, we'll make something like this, and we'll make into a 90-degree angle first, and then do the same thing as you did like this, and make it right. Okay. So after this, what you have to do is your flooring should also be with planks. So we'll just do it, but here comes the most important part. The flooring shouldn't be all of it with planks. Some of it should be with TNT. I'll just show you. You just see. So we'll put this much like planks. 1, 2, 3, and here we'll just keep the here, and now not here. I think we should put our TNT here, and like this, and the TNT would be somewhere here, so that our friends. Now we'll put the pressure plate. We'll put it afterwards so that we don't get trapped ourselves. So now let's put the planks. So we can make a small house, not that big, but just a minute, I'll just cut it from here. Now I'll put the chest here, trap chest, and then up I'll go. I'm right now playing in creative. You can even play it in survival. That's no issue. Just you will be needing these things. What am I doing? Why am I putting it back? So like this. I think we do it. And right now I'm just doing this much, and I'll give you a tip. Don't put it here. Don't put a block here, because then you can't open your chest. So don't put the block here. You can put it somewhere here, right? And then let's go down. Let's put diamond into it, right? And then now comes the main part of our of our trick. So now we'll put the pressure plate here, so that no one can see it. But whenever a person will get greedy and go in front, and then they'll get blasted. Yeah, and one thing is left. What we have to do is, to make them greedy, we have to put a door here, so that I'll just tell you what we have to do now. We'll just put somewhat like a house, and then we have to put a door here, and I'll just put a door. You can put any door. Yeah, like this and like this. They'll go inside and they'll be blasted. Actually, I think we should take out this and put a door instead here. No, not here, I think, because if they get to know about our trick, they'll just pass on from here. So I think we should put it here, and put these here, and the door here, like this, and then they'll get there. And now what we have to do is we can take what we say that nameplate. No, what we say that? Yeah, we have to put this signboard here. So I just forgot about the name, but now we'll write diamonds ahead. more diamonds ahead, because I'll just show you more diamonds diamonds ahead. Done. And then put it here, somewhere here, and then let's put a tap chest here, and let's put some diamond here, so that they get greedy and get inside it. And let's put some diamond here. And now I am blasting myself. I'll just show you what happens. The person gets greedy, and then he gets and he takes the diamond, and it's here. A diamond gets here, and he takes the diamond, says, wow, more diamonds ahead. And he'll not get to know that we have put a what do we say, our TNT here. And then he'll step on this, he'll try to get out, but he couldn't, and then he'll just blast himself. And if you are in survival, you'll be surely be killed. So this was the first trick. Now my brother will try to show you the second trick.
So the second trick is, so these things are needed from them: this TNT, lever, chest, diamond, some dirt, and a redstone dust. So first we need to do like this, mine it, and then we have to put the TNT over here. Let me mine it. Okay. So now we will put the redstone dust over here. Now it will be connected over here. So now we will. So if the man will see it, our friend should be trapped will see it properly. So we will take some grass block because it is spread everywhere. Grass block. And we'll put it like this, and we'll cut this from here, and we will put this redstone dust. It will be connected from here. Then we will close this. Then the man will think something is here, so let's put some grass over here. Grass and grass. So it will not be recognized. So we will put here a chest. Then we will put a diamond in it. So that the man gets greedy and a diamond in it. So we will need a signboard. So we will write diamond. Ahead. So then the man will come here and see it's a chest. Let me see what is here. Oh, diamond. So first now we will say, now we will have one more board. Please, for more diamonds, please pull the lever to open the secret door. Then we will have one more, right? Door. So see, now looking diamonds ahead. For more diamonds, please pull the lever and open the secret door. So let's do some. Door. No, then the man will think it's so it should be, it would be professional from that when we will put a trapdoor, and the trapdoor is over here. Trapdoor, and then just put a chest, so the man will think it has it. So we will have the chest, but it will not have anything in it. And I think, oh, there is a chest. So there is a chest. Then let me show you how does it works. 3, 2, 1.
And
Boom. See. So this was the second trick. So now we will tell you one more trick.
so third trick is we'll use a tunnel in this trick. So I'm finding a nice place to mine. Yeah, this is a nice place. Okay. So what we have to do is make a tunnel. Like this, so that the person who is going from here gets the feeling that it's a tunnel. So now the tunnel will be the lava person. Well, we have kept the lava like this, and like this from here. Now just mind this much, and down. Yeah. This is good. Actually, excellent. Now we'll put this grass afterwards so that we don't get confused. Now we'll put some lava here. Oh, lava. Now let's put lava here, and then it gets spread, and then after, but in this trick now, like, a person will come here and then he'll just get into the lava, and to support him he just have to run out. But sometimes I got stuck in this trick. When I was playing in my in survival, I got stuck in this trick, and I got died. I died actually. So this was also one of the tricks. So thanks for watching. Before ending, I would just like to tell you, as you all know, what you have. I have just messed it up first. I just wanted to tell you that you know what you have to do next. Put the diamond thing, then the chest thing, and then greet your friend to do this. To take the to go inside and take more, and then trap your friend. So I was just got trapped, but I'll not get killed because I'm playing in creative. So thanks for watching, and now I end this video.